Now let's add the possibility to loop our driver routine with a repeat and ping pong loop type, and also let's add auto repeat. So open the driver script. Outside of our driver class, let's add public enum loop type with a repeat and ping pong types. Inside the driver class, let's add public int loop count equals 1. So we will have always at least one loop, and public loop type. Inside our driver routine, let's add float hold duration equals loop count times duration. Now we need to swap our hold duration with the duration in these three places. And also we need to change our result float. So first comment the old float result. Add new float result equals 0 at the beginning of our driver routine. And inside while loop, let's write if loop type equals loop type.repeat. Our result equals matf.repeat. And the progress divide duration and 1. What matf.repeat is doing is looping our division, progress divide duration result between 0 and 1. So for example, if the result will be 1.5, the matf.repeat result will be 0.5. And also if it will be 2.5, it will be still 0.5 and so on. Now let's select the line and copy it and change it for ping pong on both places. Now what ping pong is doing is basically going back and forth with the value. So basically the value is increasing when it's reaching 1, then above 1 it's again decreasing, and then above 3 it's again increasing, and so on, basically looping. To finish, let's clean the code from commented result, save it, and we can try it. So select our driver tester object and change loop count to 2. Press play, press the green button, and now we see repeating is working, also with the yellow button. But we have a small problem. When play forward is reaching the end, the fill amount is resetted to 0. To fix it, let's open the driver and change last value of matf.repeat from 1 to something little bit above 1. So it will be 1.501f. We are adding this small value because when repeat reach 1, it's immediately changed to 0. That's why we saw resetting of value in a fill image amount. Now we can test it. Let's press play forward, and now we see the image is staying at the end. Let's check ping pong. It's nicely going back and forth, also with the play backward button. The last thing we would like to add in this lesson is auto repeat ability. So let's open the driver script. And at the beginning, let's add public bool auto repeat equals false. Inside our driver routine, let's add bool running equals true. Let's create while loop, which will be repeating our coroutine over and over. While running equals true, and put our code inside the brackets. Now to stop repeating, we just need to add at the end of our while loop basically line running equals auto repeat, which will ensure if auto repeat equals false, our while loop will run only once. Now let's handle if auto repeat equals true. We need to add if play forward equals true, our progress will be 0. And if not, our progress will be hold duration. Let's save the file and test it. Click on driver tester, change loop count to 1, loop type to repeat, and check auto repeat and press play. Press play forward, and now we see our fill amount is looping forever. We can check also ping pong. So let's change the loop count to 2, press play forward, and we see our auto repeat is working also with ping pong. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.